Hello everyone, hope you all doing good. Welcome back to agriti.com YouTube channel, The Fabric Concepts. Let's go deep into what today's episode is all about. Today's episode is all about pure Chanderi fabric. We have a wide range of pure Chanderi fabric. So we have it in all our website. So you can go and check it out. It is called akriti.com. We also have a link in description. We also have a link in Instagram. So you can check it there. Chanderi fabric is known for its sheet texture, softness, and is very breathable. You can see the texture here. It is an embroidery one. So we have a different collections, different designs. So all these designs and all these products are available in the website. So let me describe about the each pattern and each designs in the video briefly so that you can get to know about the fabric and you can get the ideas about how the fabrics have to be designed. So without any wait, let's go deep into the fabric. So this is a pure Chanderi fabric. So this is a peach color one. We have a square leaf embroidery here. It's a very breathable material, so you can match it with any other collections. I think it will linen. You can see the softness here. It is very soft and it is kind of a transparent, not very transparent, it is a kind of transparent. It's a embroidery one, so you can see the embroidery here. Embroidery is always add a special look on your outfit. It will give a special luxurious look on your outfit. So you can see the embroidery here. It is very detailing and you can match it with the linen fabric. The both linen and Chanderi will go super match, so you can match this both. So we have a different collections in the same pattern, different colors in the same pattern. I'll show in the video. So next there is another fabric in the same peach color but with a different designs. It's a floral design. So the same peach color, if someone doesn't like that design, you can take this design. It is a floral design. So this also comes with the embroidery. This is also a pure Chanderi fabric. So you can see the embroidery here. It is a floral design. So you can use this as a saree or a blouse or a kurti or a pants or any outfit you can match with this, or you can make any outfit from this also. So as I said, linen will go super match. If not, you can use with the cotton or any other fabric also. We have another fabrics. We have a lot of collections in fabric. We have a different collections, so you can check it on website. So you can see the texture here. As I said, it's so soft and so breathable. It is very suitable for your summer, so you can buy exclusively for the summer and stitch that. So yeah, this both are from peach color. So I'll show the another fabric which is in a pink color, which come the goldish embroidery. Yeah, this is the pink color, pink Chanderi fabric with the golden color embroidery one. It is a flower embroidery again. It's a small flowers. So again, you can use this as dupatta for a plain white kurta or a blouse for a sarees, or you can use this as a saree. We have a running material, so this fabric always runs for a running material, so you can buy as a saree as well. Yeah, so another fabric which is in a light brown color. This is also embroidery one. This embroidery adds a extra luxurious because it doesn't, the embroidery doesn't come out. Like all our embroideries like don't come out, but this embroidery is a special one. The rare collections. So wooden color one. So this is also a pure Chanderi. Like all Chanderi fabric in our is pure one. You can buy us, so no problem in that. So we have different colors in the same fabric as well, the same designs. We have a different color which is the light green, light pastel green. So if you don't want to go for a brown color, you can buy this light pastel green. You can match it with the dark green kurtas or dark green sarees, or you can match this with dark green blouse and you can use this as a saree. It will go as a super match. So it is very breathable, and Chanderi is a silk plus cotton. 40% of silk and 60% of cotton is called a Chanderi. So the blend of silk and cotton is called Chanderi. So it will give a luxurious look with the comfortable. So just see the both thing. So both are the same patterns but different colors, light brown and a light pastel green, very light green. So the another one is white color with a golden color embroidery. The specialty of this chanderi is we can dyeable. So if you want the same embroidery but if you want the different colors, you can ask our export to do a different colors. If you like green or red or orange, if you want any other color to be mixed in this, you can ask us. So we can do a customized dyeable. The gold part will be remain. The gold embroidery one, no, this will be remain. The white color can be changed. So if you want any custom dyeable, you can ask us. And the custom dyeable time it's approximately 7 to 9 days. The another one, this is also a dyeable. So actually for match of this you can go turquoise blue color kurtis or turquoise blue color embroidery one, or you can go any other colors. We have some of the matches, pre-matches in our Instagram. You can check our Instagram. So we already put some matches there with chanderi fabric, so you can get some outfit ideas from that. So this is also a very soft one. So Asai silk is the blend of cotton plus silk, so it will give a comfort look with a luxurious thing. So this is also a dyeable. So if you want any other colors to be made, you can ask us. So this is sandal color one, chicken curry. This is also a dyeable one. So you have very good news. This is also dyeable one. So you can make a dyeable. So you can, if you want a red color to be add, the red color can be add. If you want orange or green or a blue or any other colors, purple, we can dye for the. So all this white color dyeable. So this is again a plain chanderi fabric with the plain border, the normal border. If you want to make any Kerala sarees the chanderi fabric, you can choose this. So this is a plain chanderi fabric. So this is also again a dyeable. So all the white colors are dyeable. So if you want to make this white colors into different colors, you can make, but the golden parts are remain. This is the another square leafy pattern. As I told you in the beginning of the video, I show you one peach color design, no? One peach color square leafy pattern fabric. So the same pattern with a different color. This one is the best sellers in a fabric. So this is a hot selling product. The colors will go out match for the linen white kurti. So this is a floral thing, a big floral with the combination of small floral. So yeah, this one is a kind of cotton plus silk blend. As I told you, can see the softness. So all our chanderi are 100% pure quality, so you can blindly trust us, no problem in that. So this all are our fabric. You can check our website, it's all available in our website also. Akriti never compromise on the quality. We export 100% pure quality fabric across all over the world. Yes, we ship worldwide. So if you guys from international, not to worry, kindly place your orders on our website. So we also do a customized tie and dye for pure silk, raw silk, georgette, organza. While coming to cotton, we do a wholesale customized tie and dye. So not to worry, kindly place your order. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Kindly share, subscribe and like the channel. Thank you so much.